Meet the sparrow, a small but mighty bird. These tiny creatures are not just common, they're found on every continent. Did you know sparrows can recognize themselves in a mirror? Yes, they're that smart. They're also extremely versatile, able to eat both plants and insects. This helps them survive in various habitats. Sparrows may look similar, but there are over 140 different species, each with their own unique traits and behaviors. Lastly, sparrows are symbols of joy and protection in many cultures. Small in size, but big in significance. Learn more about these fascinating creatures.